Hello and welcome to this colorful themed episode. The stills were made with the Hasselblad X2D and 55mm f2.5 lens. I started winding through Prospect Park at 7:05 a.m. The temperature was 56 degrees and the skies were clear. Stay to the end to hear the lessons I learned from this walk. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Okay, I found my first pop of color. Go to minimum focus. I'm a little worried that that's too overexposed still, even though I was down 2/3 a stop. This patch of sunlight has caught my eye. It's not a particular color, but I do love the light. I do like this green with the blue sky. Morning. Can I have a picture of your dog? Thank you. Is it a boy or a girl? Oh, hi. Okay. What's your name?
Medford.
Medford? Oh my gosh, what a great name. You are very photogenic. Found this little group of oranges that someone left behind. Oh, there we go. You guys are gonna like this. If I make this shot, you have to subscribe. Oh, look, more pops of color here. Okay, let's give this a go. Gonna go back up to F8. Okay, manual focus. See, it's 180th of a second. The X2D always makes me feel like it's shooting at f110 or 115. It has a long blackout. What happened here? This is shorn, except for got a little goatee down here at the bottom of this palm tree. Okay, that had no color at all, but certainly caught my eye. Wow, speaking of catching my eye, what happened to that top of that palm tree? Okay, we're gonna step into the bamboo, and if the light is coming through, that'll give certainly one of my favorite greens. So this is the opposite side of where I took that first photo. Boy, I do love this green, but it gets so busy that it takes out some of the drama. So I'm gonna try and isolate some green right here. Oh, that makes me happy. Ooh, I can see a beam of light here. Not on the flowers yet. Oh my gosh. Look at the light on here. Okay. I'm gonna photograph this and I'm gonna put it in, I'm guessing in black and white. And that's gonna look properly creepy for some reason that I can't explain. Maybe it's because it's October. But I like how these chairs are like different colors. Oh, come on, it's not that hard to focus. There we go. This delicate little pop of color. There we go. Okay, let's F16 it. Whoa, look at those sun stars. I don't know why that amuses me so much. What happens if I go to 2.5? Is there anything even to blur? Moody, not colorful. I stumbled upon some pumpkins. There you go, Hasselblad. Give me that face detect. All right, I will refocus with my reframe with my feet. You can see the oranges are on their way back, but still green. Digging this moss. Oh, for fun, I'm gonna let you watch me photograph this. All right, friends, that is my colorful episode for today. Lesson number 1 is I came just a bit before sunrise, and you're not going to get any color if you're here before the light. I did take a lot of photos of light streaming through trees and other foliage, and I had a lot of fun doing that. If you had a good time following along, please subscribe. I will say lesson number 2 is that the 55mm focus is a bit more fiddly than the 38, but I really like it. It's worth it to me. I was very happy that I saw 2 dogs, and I was brave enough to ask for a photo of one of them. He was adorable. And in the words of the great Julie Chen, love one another. See you next time.